Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this frog brainrot animal. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the first eye with a circle. Then inside the eye, let's draw a curve up and another one underneath. And color it in black. Next, around the eye, let's draw a curve around, stopping here, leaving it open on the bottom left. Now on the left, let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. And then on the left, we're going to add the next eye. Let's add a curve up. And then we're going to draw a semicircle underneath by curving it down with a curve out to the left. And let's add one more curve up at the bottom. Now let's hop in, and for the pupil, let's start on the left and let's draw two curves meeting at a point and color it in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Underneath the left eye, let's angle it out and curve it down. Now underneath, let's add a curve in, a small bump, and then let's curve it over to the right side. And now let's add a curve at the end, and then one more next to it. Now let's continue drawing the shape of the head on the left by curving it down. Then let's hop up and add one more curve down and in underneath. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve over to the right side. Now let's finish off the shape of the head. Let's hop up next to the right eye and let's angle it out and curve it down and over. Now we're going to hop inside and we're going to draw an oval shape on the right here. And then in between the eyes, let's draw two small black ovals for the nostrils. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and add the body. Let's start underneath the head, underneath the right eye, and let's draw a large curve down and bring it up on the right. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another curve in the same way. And then another one next to it. Next, inside the center, let's draw two curves down next to each other like this. Now before we finish drawing the body, we're going to hop over at the bottom here and draw the first leg. On the bottom left, let's start with a curve. Then let's add two angles down and out. Next, from the top line, let's draw a bump down for the knee and angle it down. Now for the bottom side, we're going to curve it down and then angle it up. Now let's add the foot at the end. Let's draw a curve up and curve it around and down for the first toe. Now we're going to draw 3 more toes with 3 small curves. And then a larger curve at the end for the big toe. Now underneath, let's curve it down. Then let's bring it in and back up to close off the foot. Now that we have the first leg, we can move back up and we can continue drawing the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a long curve down. And then let's continue it on the other side of the leg by curving it over to the right side. Now we're going to move in and we're going to add the tire treads. Let's draw a curve down in the center and continue it down below the leg. Now let's do the same thing next to it on the right and on the left. And continue it below the leg again. Now on the two outside sections, let's draw some curves across, like this. And then in the two middle sections, let's draw an angle down and angle it up on the other side. And that's it for the body. Now let's add the last foot. On the bottom right, let's draw two angles down and out. Then let's curve it over and back in. Then let's add 3 more bumps for the next toes. Now for the big toe, let's draw a larger bump and a wavy line up and back in to close off the foot. And that's it for this brain rot animal. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!